Here's a little bit of what we're busy with before we get to go spend the winter on the boat. I even get a chance to practice stepping into the dinghy by going down the steps of the tractor. Sandy comes out and visits in the field, and we discuss what we're going to be doing for the winter and when am I going to be taking off for Puerto Rico. Well, you see here that we're not the only ones that are living on our boats. It's quite a community. Sandy had just arrived not too long before we did this hike, so we picked an easy one to break her in and get her acclimated to the heat and humidity that the rest of us have come to accept. So we get in quite a bit of hikes with friends and fellow cruisers who are anchored here in the bay with us.